Do you ever find yourself during the day feeling like your energy is just dropping really low? It almost feels sometimes like something sucking the life force right out of us. I've experienced that, maybe you have too, and I've noticed that certain people and certain places can be a little bit like energy vampires. So what do? Well, I think it's all about our energy field. We've got this beautiful matrix of energy system inside of us. Channels that energy flows through our arms and our whole body and our brain and all these different gateways and energy centers. Now, if you're new to energy work, stay with me here. My name's Tristan Truscott. I've been a martial arts instructor for the last 30 plus years, and I absolutely love something called internal martial art. It's where you're learning to protect yourself from the inside out through your energy and your energy field. We're all giving off a vibe, if you will. Like, they've got good vibes. Hey man, that guy's got great energy. We feel people. Some people might call it magnetism. Well, if you're like a human broadcast station and you have the ability, if you will, to emit good vibes, there are those who emit not so good vibes. Have you ever been in a place where you're like, I don't know what it is about this place, it just feels weird? Well, these people and these places, they affect our vibes too. So it's a really good idea to get your energy flowing in a healthy way and almost create like a protective field around you. And that's what I want to show you how to do today. So we're going to use something called Qigong. It's an ancient internal martial art that gets your energy flowing in a really healthy way, and it puts a beautiful energy protective field around you. So here's how you do it. You stand with your feet together, arms by your side. This is called Wu Ji. And you just check in. Take a moment and drop your head down into your belly. How do you do that? You just breathe. Pull your breath down the front. And just be mindful for a moment of your breath and your energy state. And just notice where you're at. Take another soothing breath. Maybe even close your eyes for a moment. Just be and breathe. And then open your legs and try this with me. Just let your arms float up for a moment. Bring them in a little and let them float down. Now, if you can, drop into your legs a little here and push your knees apart. Breathe in. This will get your energy flowing in a nice, smooth, healthy fashion. Keep your back kind of straight. You don't have to go super deep. Just breathe in and breathe out. So Qigong requires three main things to make it work. Good form, posture and movement. Good breath, a nice inhalation and exhalation like this, breathing in. And we're coordinating those breaths with our movements. And then it requires getting present, just really being here and noticing. Notice where you are, notice how you feel, and start to shift the way you feel about yourself. What do I mean? Just feel like you're creating healthy flow within yourself. That's important. You got to feel good in your own physiology to affect your energy. All right, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to drop down here and feel like you're connecting with this grounded, powerful feeling. This is called Earth Chi, and almost like you're pulling this power up from the floor through you. And it moves up through the center of your body, so your hands pull up like this. This is where we're about to start creating this protective field. Now your hands move up through the top of your head, and they turn out like this, and they wand out and float down. It's called parting clouds. Now sometimes we're in a mental funk, and we're kind of calling in some funky people. Have you ever noticed that when you get into a weird space and just weird stuff starts happening? Or you think about someone and they call you, you know, thoughts become things, right? Thoughts have a particular energy or frequency about them. So as you're shifting your energy through shifting your thoughts and clearing your mind, clearing away negativity, clearing away doubt, uncertainty, fear, stress, and you're tapping back into your power, this feeling of being grounded, what happens is your energy state starts to shift. When your energy shifts, your broadcast station shifts. What you're putting out changes. So that's one thing, is we don't want to draw to us things that are not in alignment, if you will, with what's awesome for you. So I'm just checking in and feeling like I'm grounded. I love this healthy flow of energy moving through me. I'm clearing my mind. I'm parting the clouds of doubt and fear or anxiety. And I'm starting to visualize, as your hands are wanding around, this field. You might use like a golden white light. I'm putting this healthy, high vibe energy around me. Protecting, yes, but it's even more than protection. It's more like making a statement. This is my energy field. This is how I vibrate, right? So when people say, you got good vibes, yeah, I've got good vibes. I'm putting out good vibes. I'm a good vibe broadcast station. And it's almost like it buffers and repels that which is not in alignment with that. So you can shift in a way from thinking, I'm trying to protect myself. Don't let the energy vampires get me. If you're thinking like that, guess what? You're calling that in. So you shift it to all that is good, all that is healthy, all that is positive. And in that alone, you're protected by default. It's an important energetic shift. So here's the move again. Drop in. You don't, like I said, have to go super deep. You could do, but don't bend forward like that. Just let your booty drop down a little. Let your knees stay kind of over your ankles. And just root. The feeling is of you connecting with this beautiful, let's call her Mother Earth. She's super powerful. And you're bringing this energy, it would be called yin. There's yin and yang. This is this power of the earth principle up through you. Now this is yang energy. You're connecting with the heaven chi. You're clearing your mind. And guess what? You're inviting in this amazing, powerful heaven energy. And that's going all around you. So you have the balance of yin and you have the balance of yang. And that's all you have to do. You just do that a couple of times. Let's do one more. Great energy flow moving through you. You've moved your body. You've brought your body and your mind into alignment. And at the bottom here, our fingers will just touch. And watch, we're going to transfer our weight and push. Bring your feet in. And you're going to close your session. And you do one for your body. This is just a recalibration centering process. It's called come to center. You do it again, one for your mind. It's almost like you're sealing in the good energy inside you and the field that's all around you. And then you're just coming in here to your heart center and off you go throughout your day, having a seriously lit up experience, and kind of watch the magic unfold. Energy's a beautiful thing. Don't doubt the power of your energy. Even if you have to be an open-minded skeptic with this stuff. I used to poo-poo energy work all the time as a kid and make fun of it, and today it's changed everything for me. And you can really protect yourself in this beautiful way. No more energy vampires sucking your chi. Awesome. Thanks for watching.